Willis Carrier invented modern air conditioning in 1902. Today, Carrier is a world leader in heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration solutions. We're continually building upon our solid history of proven innovation, so you and your family can be more comfortable and more energy efficient. Carrier furnaces are manufactured in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's a state-of-the-art facility that's one of our flagship plants and home to our North American residential HVAC headquarters. Our research and development teams are here as well. We're very proud of this facility. More than 105,000 square feet dedicated to engineering and testing, and over 100 engineers and technicians on staff, allowing us to test well beyond industry standards. Our Indianapolis facility has been designated a center of excellence for gas furnace manufacturing and features state-of-the-art processes, equipment, and technology to ensure our customers receive best-in-class products. Carrier is committed to our entire line of gas furnaces and will continue to invest substantially in it. In fact, we've recently announced significant investments in the design and production process. We're proud to provide our customers with a wide variety of choices. If you live in the cold north or the steamy south, you'll appreciate our top-of-the-line Infinity Series furnaces. They're quiet and efficient, even in the most extreme climates, and they can help you save a lot of money on your utility bills. If you're concerned about the humidity in your home, our Ideal Humidity System helps to regulate the moisture inside your home all year long. Our Performance Series gas furnaces live up to their name every day. They provide efficient, quiet, and flexible comfort no matter where you live. If budget is your primary concern, but you don't want to sacrifice quality, you'll want to learn more about our Comfort Series gas furnaces. Bottom line, because of Carrier's commitment and continued investment in technology, production, research, and product development, you and your family can continue to count on us for reliability, innovation, and the best in comfort. Visit Carrier.com to learn more.